Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Sliding Board is probably one of the most helpful assistive devices for wheelchair users, enabling smoother and safer transfers between wheelchairs and other seated surfaces such as beds, toilets, or chairs. In this video, we will review the top-rated sliding boards on the market, comparing their features, ease of use, durability, and overall value to help you choose the perfect sliding board to improve your independence and quality of life. Number 5. Vive Transfer Board. It assists in transfers between a bed, chair, wheelchair, and more. This durable board lets individuals move more independently and reduces caregiver injuries. The smooth finish makes sliding easier. It features two cutaway handles for a secure, comfortable grip while moving. The handles are gently rounded and sealed for a smooth finish, protecting hands and clothing. It's 36 inches long for flexible positioning and has gently tapered ends for easier transfers. Rounded corners increase patient comfort and protect furniture. Supporting up to 400 pounds, it's made from strong, sealed wood to prevent damage. The smooth surface prevents snagged clothing for easy sliding. Purchase with confidence. It comes with a 60-day guarantee. What we like. It features dual cutout handles for a secure grip and is made from strong, sealed wood. If you need a sturdy and reliable transfer board for various surfaces, this is a great option. Its extended length and rounded corners ensure comfortable and safe transfers for users of all sizes and abilities. What people say. Works great to move patient from bed to wheelchair. I use this almost every day. It is great to transfer from the bed to the wheelchair, and even into the car. It is sturdy and you don't feel like you are going to fall. This board is very sturdy and wide. The physical therapist was loving it and asked where we got it because she doesn't see them that wide. Highly recommend it. Number 4. Patient Lift Transfer Belt. This innovative belt is designed to make patient transfers safer and easier. It's durable, lightweight, and simple to use, providing support for both patients and caregivers. Made from strong polyester fabric with reinforced stitching, it's built to last. The 4 handles allow for even weight distribution during transfers. It's designed to comfortably and securely support patients weighing up to 220 pounds. The extra band helps keep it snug and in place. It simplifies moving patients between beds, wheelchairs, cars, and other seating. It's perfect for home care, medical transport, and healthcare facilities. It's ideal for elderly, disabled, bariatric, and handicapped individuals. It helps improve mobility and independence for those who need assistance. Remember, it requires 2 or 3 caregivers for safe patient transfers. One person should not attempt to move a patient alone using this belt. What we like. This transfer belt has multiple handles for even weight distribution and is lightweight for easy maneuverability. If you need assistance moving patients and require multiple caregivers for safe transfers, this is the right choice. Its reinforced stitching and extra fixed band ensure patient safety during transfers. What people say. It was easy to use and great for my mom. It came out of the package ready to use. It was sturdy and well made. I really liked the 4 handles and the extra seat belts for across the chest, making the person being carried feel secured. Really well made, very strong. Love that I can buckle her in and don't have to worry about her sliding off of it. Number 3. Slide Board Wheelchair Transfer. This innovative slide board makes transferring from a wheelchair safer and easier. It's designed to reduce strain on both the user and caregiver. It's made with high-quality materials for superior strength and durability. This ensures it can support users weighing up to 400 pounds. The unique rotating disc allows for smooth, effortless transfers. Its S-shaped design provides a natural and comfortable transition. The anti-skid backing provides extra stability and security during transfers. It's perfect for moving between a wheelchair, bed, chair, or car. For safe use, ensure a horizontal connection between your starting and ending points. A caregiver should assist with the first few transfers. We're dedicated to your satisfaction. Our professional customer service team is here to help, and we offer a 1-month service guarantee. What we like. It has a 360 degrees rotating disc that greatly reduces friction during transfers and can support a high weight capacity. If you are looking for a smooth and safe transfer solution with minimal friction, consider this. The anti-skid structure on the back enhances safety and stability during the transfer process. What people say. I have a muscle disease and unable to stand. This board slides easy once you are on it. We love how easy it is to transfer from wheelchair to car. This transfer board allows the person to stay seated, so you can slide them to the next spot, wheelchair to car seat, for example. It takes a lot of strain off of the caregiver's back eventually. Number 2. DMI Transfer and Slide Board. Introducing the DMI Transfer Board, designed for safe and easy patient transfers. It helps patients move independently while protecting caregivers from injury. This slide board makes transferring from wheelchairs, beds, or chairs simple and secure. It's perfect for seniors, the disabled, or those recovering from surgery. The convenient cutout handles provide extra leverage and a secure grip. They're designed for comfort and ease of use. Made from high-quality wood, it features a smooth, sanded surface for frictionless transfers. It's built to last and prevent snags. It's made of Scotch pine, measures 30 by 8 by 1 inches, and holds up to 440 pounds. Plus, it's FSA eligible for added convenience. The DMI Transfer and Slide Board provides a safe, efficient, and comfortable solution for patient transfers. Order yours today. What we like. This slide board offers cutout handles for a secure grip and is made from heavy-duty wood for durability. If you value ease of use and a reliable transfer solution, this is an excellent choice. Its smooth surface ensures effortless transfers, minimizing friction and the risk of injury. What people say. This board worked perfectly for a disabled senior to get herself off the bed onto a chair. Handles are good and the wood is smooth and sturdy. Very sturdy, this board is not gonna bend under a heavy load, rated up to 735 pounds. Slick and smooth, which makes sliding easier. Number 1. Patient Aid Slide Sheet. This innovative slide sheet makes transferring patients effortless. Its smooth fabric allows for quick and gentle movements, reducing strain on both the caregiver and the patient. Experience comfortable transfers with this slide sheet. The soft, low-friction fabric prevents skin irritation, ensuring a pleasant experience. It's designed for safety. The strong, durable material can handle the demands of patient transfers, providing reliable support. This slide sheet simplifies the transfer process. Only one caregiver is needed, making it efficient and easy to use. It provides reliable assistance for patients of all ages and sizes who need help repositioning. It's a valuable tool for caregivers and patients alike. This slide sheet is waterproof and machine washable, making it easy to maintain. Its compact size allows for convenient storage. What we like. It's designed for single caregiver use and features a comfortable, low-friction fabric. If you need a convenient and safe transfer solution that requires minimal effort, this is perfect. Its small size and lightweight design make it easy to store and transport, ideal for use at home or on the go. What people say. It has been a lifesaver for my 86-year-old mother who was 2 months ahead of a hip replacement. Things had gotten so bad that she could barely walk, and trying to get her into the car was nearly impossible. With this on the seat, she is able to sit and with some help to put her legs up, easily slide across the seat. This thing is one of the best designs I have ever seen to help someone get from a wheelchair to a car or from a wheelchair to a bed or about any other way you wanted to use it. When transferring a handicapped person into the car, it can be difficult to slide them into their seat. This material acts as a slippery surface that makes the transfer easy and safe. I highly recommend it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.